Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your LG K8. I'm going to show you two methods to factory reset it. First, to do the settings really quickly, and then with the buttons, so that in case your phone is not booting up correctly or if it has a password and you can't get into it, by doing the hard reset you'll be able to start using it again. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel, we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Okay, so first off, let's do it through the settings. Here in settings, you're going to scroll all the way down to backup and reset. It's going to be towards the bottom. So here, you're going to select factory data reset. It's just letting you know that everything will be erased on your phone. So make sure you back up anything that you do want to keep. Also, make sure your phone has at least 5 to 10% battery. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit reset phone. And then once you're ready, hit reset everything and the reset process will begin. So I'm going to show you now how to do it with the buttons. So for this method, you need to have your phone powered off. Okay, so with the phone powered off, what we're going to do is we're going to hold volume up and the power button, both of them at the same time until the recovery menu comes up. So continue to hold them both. Once you see this, let go of both buttons. So here in this screen, what we're going to do is we're going to select with volume up. So only press volume up. Once the arrow is on recovery, we're going to go ahead and hit volume down to confirm. So hit volume down. That's going to boot into recovery mode. There we go. Okay, so once you see this Android logo right here, what we're gonna have to do is you're gonna hold the power button for about 2 seconds, and while you're holding it, press volume up and let it go. So press it and it takes you straight to the Android recovery menu right here. Once you're here, you're ready to go. All you gotta do is with the volume button, scroll down to wipe data, factory reset. Here, you're just going to hit the power button. And then here, you're going to scroll down once again to yes, delete all user data, and hit the power button to confirm. So there it's resetting everything. Once it says data wipe complete down here, it's done. So you can go ahead and hit the power button and the phone will reboot and it will be completely factory reset. And there we go. As you can see, the phone has been completely factory reset back to its factory condition, and it is at the initial setup of the phone. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to factory hard reset your LG K8. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. And I will see you around in the next video. Peace.